Hello guys, it's Heston the Cookers here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send images as document on WhatsApp. So first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp. You open a chat, right? You click on this icon over here. Of course, depending on the kind of device you're using, if you're using iOS, this will be quite similar, but it's the same process. But since I'm using an Android phone, I just tap here. Now I have document, camera, gallery, audio, location, contact, and poll. So if I want to send an image as a document, I have to select document. So what are the advantages of this? Is because if you send an image as document, it will come with its full size. There will be no compression or anything like that. So all you need to do is to tap on document. It's going to open your files and you're going to choose it from a gallery or your document as well. So I'm going to type from gallery and I'm going to select any image of my choice, and that's it. So I've selected an image of my choice. As you can see, it comes with its full size, 1.3 megabyte. All right, so all I'm going to do is to tap on send. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Adios.